Hey guys, Coach Essick here. I wanted to quickly make a video to thank everybody here at Johnson Street for being a special part of my student teaching journey. Some of you may know this, but Thursday is actually my last day, so today will be my last day making lessons for you guys. I want to quickly thank the teachers, the specialist staff. I know that facilitating PE lessons in the classroom can be challenging at times, so I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time to really try to facilitate these lessons. It's really helped me grow as a teacher. And I would definitely want to thank the students. I know the students, you guys have received education and through technology as much as you can possibly stand in the last year. I understand that being a student myself. But thank you guys for being willing to get up and being willing to move and willing to try. So thank you guys so much. It has been an absolute blessing to be here at Johnson Street with you guys. Johnson Street will always have a special place in my heart. So I just want to take the time to thank everybody for being special to me. But as for now, we're going to jump into today's lesson. We're going to do some different review. We're going to do some new challenges and some different things. So I'm excited about you guys finishing up this last lesson for me. And thank you guys so much.
So, like I said in my quick little video, today we are going to do some fun review challenges. And then at the end, we're going to kind of combine them all with a fun new skill that we're going to work with our partner. So I'm super excited about our lesson today, and let's jump right in. Teachers, take this time to pass out equipment to the students. You may need to pause the video in order to pass out the equipment to students. Each student will need one balloon and one paper plate. Students, once you receive your equipment, make sure it is just on your desk, and let's everybody stand up in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's get started with a fun warm-up with Coach P. We're going to be getting close to summer, and we're going to be spending some time near the water. So, today we're going to spend some time in the water, but we may run across a couple sharks. Follow along and have fun. Great job on that warm-up. Boy, that was a tough one. I hope you got a good workout in, you got that heart rate up, and you are ready for a fun PE lesson today. Let's get started with it. Let's think back to how we were catching last week. Remember when we were catching, we were reaching for it and pulling it in. So, your first challenge for today. You're going to choose whether you want to toss, turn, and catch, or toss, clap, and catch. If you choose toss, clap, and catch, I want you to see how many times you can clap before you catch it. Can you get 3 claps? 4 claps? What about 5 claps? Remember, still use those cues and reach for that balloon. You should have your balloon in your hand and be standing at your desk in 3, 2, and 1. Your timer starts now. Okay, everybody freeze. Hopefully that challenge was super easy for you guys. Now, teachers take this time to pair students up with a partner. You may need to pause the video to pair students with their partner. Once you're ready for your challenge, each partner students will need 1 balloon. So you and your partner will need 1 balloon. Your job is to use the 4 cues for underhand throwing. Remember, that is ready, arm back, opposite foot, and follow through like you see me and my buddy Aiden here doing. You're going to do this back and forth and play catch with your partner. You've got 2 minutes. Aiden and I were able to catch 9 in a row. 9 in a row was a lot for us. You've got 2 minutes. See if you can catch at least 10 in a row. You've got 2 minutes. You and your partner should be ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You and your partner should be ready. You've got 2 minutes. See if you can get at least 10. If you can get more, do that. Your time starts now. Okay, everybody freeze. Were you and your partner able to get at least 10? Hopefully some of you got 15, maybe even 20 in a row with your partner. Let's get ready for our next challenge. This time, you are going to need your paper plate. You're going to strike and volley by yourself in your own space. Let's see how many times you can volley in your own space without moving your feet. So, your job is to keep your feet still like I do here in this GIF. So for the entire minute, you're keeping those feet still and you're volleying in your own space. You've got 1 minute and you should have your paper plate in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Your timer starts now. Okay, everybody freeze. Hopefully, with that last challenge, you were able to remember how to volley in your own space. Now, you are going to volley with a partner. So, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to get matched back up with your partner. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You should be with your partner about 3 steps apart. So, for 2 minutes, you and your partner are going to volley back and forth. That's right. For 2 minutes, you're going to volley using those paper plates like you see Aiden and I doing here. So, you've got 2 minutes. Good luck. Okay, everybody freeze. Great job on that challenge. Now, let's get ready for another challenge. This time, you and your partner are going to toss, strike, and catch, all in the same challenge. Yep, that's right. So, for the first 2 minutes, one person is going to be tossing and catching. So, one of the partners is going to be doing what Coach Essick is doing here in this GIF. So you're going to toss to your partner is going to use their paper plate and strike it back to you, and you're going to try and catch it. This can be super tough. Aiden and I were able to get it twice in a row before I dropped one. So, you should be ready with your partner in 3, 2, and 1. You're going to use those underhand throwing skills, toss it to your partner, and your partner is going to strike it to you, and you're going to catch it. Your timer starts now. Okay, everybody freeze. Great job. Were you and your partner able to toss, strike, and catch? Hopefully so. Now it's time to switch roles. If you were the one that was just tossing and catching, you need to pick up your paper plate because you're going to be the one striking. If you were the one striking, you're going to be the one underhand tossing to your partner. So go ahead and switch. Remember, when we are underhand tossing, we're using ready, arm back, opposite foot, and follow through. Let's try these skills. You should be ready with your partner in 3, 2, and 1. Your equipment should be ready, and your timer starts now. Okay, everybody freeze. Hopefully, you and your partner were able to toss, strike, and catch back and forth, and that was a good time for you guys. Everybody put your equipment down, and let's wait for one last thing. Everybody that's watching this, I want to thank you one more time. You guys at Johnson Street have been so amazing for me, and I am so blessed to have been here. You guys helped teach me a ton of new things and new ways to actually teach, and I wanted to thank you one more time. I'm so excited. I hope you guys had some great times with these different lessons, and keep practicing these skills, because I'm sure Coach P next year is going to have you guys doing lots of new and fun things. I will see you guys soon.